Running a business in the East Rand, your cleaning supply bill is probably way higher than it should be.
And those costs, they're seriously eating into your profits. But guess what? You can slash them.
The solution is buying wholesale, right here in the East Rand. It saves money and time. A total win-win.
It's pretty simple. You buy in bulk, and the cost for each item drops. The savings really add up.
And you're not just getting one or two things. It's a whole arsenal for any cleaning challenge.
Take a commercial kitchen, for example. You need some seriously powerful stuff for all that grease and grime.
We're talking about degreasers that just melt away grime. That's the kind of pro-grade quality you get.
Now what about places with tons of foot traffic, like schools or offices? Keeping those floors clean is tough.
That's where a tough floor polish and a powerful, SANS-compliant disinfectant are absolutely essential for safety.
Okay, but it's not all about the heavy-duty stuff. You can stock up on your everyday essentials too.
Things like bleach and fabric softener keep everything consistently clean, from laundry to the restrooms.
Grabbing the big 25-liter containers, that's the real secret to unlocking the best possible price per liter.
So, you save money, which is great. But what are the other big reasons to make the switch? Okay, this table really breaks it all down. For any manager, this is a huge operational win. Basically, you're moving from panicked retail trips to having a predictable, steady supply. It's just smarter. So, predictable spending, a steady supply, and products that just work, these are the top 3 reasons.
Of course, finding the right partner is absolutely key. So how do you spot a good supplier?
A good one has clear pricing, proper data sheets, and stock on hand. Don't settle for anything less.
So, the bottom line is this. Buying wholesale in the East Rand lowers costs and secures your supply.
So, here's a thought. Is your procurement as clean and efficient as your floors ought to be?